Hello friends, we at Kalashri are back this week with our new collection of 4 new trends of wedding lehengas to get you explored within the safety of your laptops, mobiles or home. So let's start with today. So this would be our first pick of the day. This red lehenga with full handwork of fine pearls, sequins, tube, and as you can see, there is a fine gotapati also therein, and interested enough to give it a real regal look. As you can see, these are the motifs to start with in the lehenga, and then the beautiful jharoka. You can see it is inspired by the Rajasthani Hawa Mahals. So you can see a beautiful jharoka parted with fine borders beneath it, and later fine jal, abstract jal has been given, and then the compact design of the gotapati pearl sequence to finish the lehenga, and then the scalping gotapati also is there. So this is the first pick of the day. Now comes to second one. Now this is again one of my favorite, and this is very smart and easy to carry one. As you can see, it's a magenta pink lehenga, rich magenta pink with full handwork done on it. The main embroidery elements which are been used here is the fine kardana. As you can see, the flowing, giving a very fine check work in the main body, and sequence, that is again the matte sequence, not the shining one. It is giving it a very sophisticated look with the French knot work on it. You can see the work has been done French knot, and with very fine dabka and which is the compressed string. The dabka means the compressed strings work, outlining the kardana and fine pearls at the end. You can see the dabka is outlining the pearl work. So this is a very beautiful and sophisticated lehenga, one of the really best lehenga what we have. Now let's come up to the third lehenga of the day. This is a tomato red lehenga. As you can see, with the vertical lines on the main body of the lehenga, with the flower booty, that is a resham, peach resham has been used on it, giving it an elegant look, parted with the fine kardana and sequence border, as you can see in the middle. And then there are ambis, that is the motifs, ambi motif placed together with scalping jal underneath, and then the crisscross. As you can see, the crisscross is also been there in the element of the design in the later part, so ending the lehenga with the fine border. So this is also very smart and easy to carry. Now let's come up to our fourth pick of the day. This is an amazing blood red lehenga with full fine handwork of pearl, kardana, chid sequence, forming a complete compact waistline, starting from the compact waistline to the mingled flowing jal in the body in the middle, and then the pictorial, the grand look, the pictorial darwaza having a walk-in elephants into it, and at the beneath it, later part, you can see through the jharokas, the king and the queens, they are facing and looking each other from the jharokas inside it, and then the ended with the fine flowered jal compacted with the borders, giving this lehenga a great look altogether. So friends, these were the 4 new collection of this week. Hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, please comment, like and share it, and we'll catch you next week with 4 new lehengas. Thank you.